Okay, Toyota Yaris 2020-2021 version. Original have 360 bird view camera. Okay, change aftermarket Android player. You have to use the canbus socket, canbus plug and play socket to connect original 360 bird view camera. Original bird view camera connect to aftermarket Android player. This is a sample for Cogoo CG8 Qualcomm Snapdragon 4+64 QLED version. So go to setting, display. You have to go to display, scroll it down on the back car type. Okay, you have to select for the 360 reverse sync. This is connect original 360. Original 360. Okay, after press this one, back to home, you will get the icon for the 360 panorama. Let me show you. This is a connect to the original 360. So still can touchscreen to view for the original 360 bird view. Touch for the icon. This view now is connect original 360 bird view camera. Okay, for reverse. Reverse is 3-angle view. So it's reverse 3-angle view. Connect original 360. So original 360 is different with the aftermarket 360. Touchscreen is cannot view for multi-angle, but you can press for the icon to get a reverse view. Okay, back to normal. This is Toyota Yaris 2020-2021 version. Okay, plug and play socket to connect original reverse camera, 360 bird view camera. Okay, go to, you have to set the canvas setting, factory setting 8. Okay, so the first one, to change the model, we have to set the model for higher Toyota Common. Higher for your canvas brand. Okay, Toyota car model, Toyota Common, and press save. And you have to press the save to save your canvas. After that, you can set for the 360 bird view to connect original bird view camera. Okay, for Yaris, you have to change aftermarket 9-inch Android player to fix it. Good fitting and plug and play socket, plug and play canvas socket. Okay, this is the sample for sample 9-inch OEM casing for Toyota Yaris. This is the manual aircon version. Got 3 circle. It's a manual aircon control. Also got another casing is for the auto aircon. Now this part is for auto use, auto press button. 9-inch good fitting casing. Thank you. Toyota Yaris 2020-2022 version. Installed by One Piece. Shop in Seri, Kembangan, Balakong. Cogoo CG8 4+64 HDMI Qualcomm microprocessor QLED version. Thank you.